Hello, everyone. Thank you for stopping by. I'm Ishani, a design team member at CrafTangles. And before I proceed, I want to wish you all a Merry Christmas and a very Happy New Year. Today, I'm sharing a creative idea for stretching your stamps and make everyday stamp work for Christmas cards also. I'm sharing three projects on Let's Create Handmade blog, and you can check them through the link in the description box below. But I'll quickly show you in this video how I made my own Santa Claus. I realized very late that I should have bought a stamp set with Santa Claus. But wait, you don't have to buy everything every time. Earlier this year, I used this awesome stamp by CrafTangles called People of India and made this card. I went beyond what I could see. I used this man in Gandhi topi and this lady, and by doing some selective masking on the man's cap, making them look like his hair, and getting the hair band down for the lady and doing some masking for her nose pin, I made this next door neighbor couple for an anniversary card. I thought I could do some more surgery for another stamp. No, not surgery, but selective masking for making a Santa Claus. I thought this man, whom I lovingly call Tauji, because he looks like he could be my father's elder brother, would be perfect to dress up as Santa Claus. The stamp set is called World's Best, and all the supplies that I am using will be linked in the blog post and also in the description box below. So to get him ready for the Christmas Eve, we need to do some makeup. And for that, we will need a paper depending on the choice of your coloring medium. I'll be doing Copic coloring, so I take a piece of Nina Solar White. For masking, I'm taking washi tape. You could use masking paper or post-it note. To ink the image, you need the ink again depending on your choice of coloring medium. I'm using Memento's Tuxedo Black, a stamping block and scissors. I start with taking my stamp on the acrylic block and the image of the Santa Claus, Tauji, next to me. So what can we do to make him a Santa Claus? We must mask his turban. Because Santa Claus will have a beard, we need to mask his chin and the ears. His hand looks nice rolling his mustache up, so we'll let it be. Now let's take washi tape and start masking. With pieces of washi tape, I'm covering all the areas which I do not want on my stamped image. So I have masked his turban, his ears, now his chin. Arm will let it be, but yes, that part of the turban, that has to be masked. Now is the makeup time. I apply my tuxedo black ink and stamp my to be Santa Claus. I take a pencil and do rough sketch of how I would want the beard and the cap and some shoulder for my Santa Claus. When I was satisfied with how he looked, I take a Copic multiliner pen and trace over all my pencil markings. And now that I had the pen mark, I erase the marks of the pencil. Next I do some Copic coloring. For the skin I have taken YR000, E40 and E41. I thought the cap was a little too big, so I just reduced the height by making some more black lines over it. For Santa's hat and the dress, I'm using the reds. I'm using R29, R27 and R14 to color his hat. For the darker shadows, I will be using E15. For his beard, I'm using N2 and N0. And for the dress, I use R29, R27 and R14. I use RV10 for my Santa Claus's cheeks and blend it out with E40. I cut my Santa Claus out, and as always, I take a black marker and color my edges with it. And here we have our adorable Tauji all ready in Santa Claus costume for the Christmas Eve. I hope you enjoyed this little video tutorial. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing if you've not subscribed yet. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great Christmas and a very happy New Year. Bye-bye.